Hi, this is Hector Martinez, and I'm an English professor here at City College. This is my practice recording for Module 7 discussion board. One of the ways that I would use this tool in my teaching would be just to explain a concept that maybe students weren't too familiar with, or maybe I think they needed more of a grasp of. So, for example, in the beginning of the semester, I usually discuss essay structure, and I could give a short lecture on essay structure, talking about the introductory paragraph, thesis statement, body paragraph, conclusion, and make sure that they have a better grasp of the subject matter. I would keep these videos very short. I don't want to overburden my students or be overbearing on them, and definitely keep them interested. Thank you.